Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by securing data and knowing the exact Wi-Fi name and password. This avoids repeated guesswork. Once done, restart both your Samsung and the router to clear transient issues. Next, make sure to forget the problematic network on the phone so you remove corrupt settings. This forces a fresh connection. While doing this, watch router lights to confirm internet reachability and keep the phone nearby so you can immediately rejoin when prompted. Now reconnect to the Wi-Fi you just forgot, typing the password slowly to avoid errors, then toggle auto reconnect to prompt a clean handshake. If you still show connected, no internet, change DNS to Google's 8. 8, 8, 8 and 8. 8, 4, 4 to bypass ISP DNS problems. If DHCP assigns no route, assign a static IP matching your router's subnet. Use the correct gateway and map. Finish by auditing services that silently block connections. Turn off airplane mode, disable VPNs or data saver features, and confirm Wi-Fi permissions for apps. If issues remain, reset network settings to restore defaults. This is more aggressive but cleans corrupt profiles. Make sure to re-enter passwords afterward. One key troubleshooting tip: test the phone on a different network or a mobile hotspot to determine whether the fault is your ISP/router or the Samsung device itself. This single step isolates the problem quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.